Hello! So today is Monday, March 30th, and we're starting our next writing prompt. So you should have this packet in front of you. This is the only packet that doesn't have a date on it because it was actually already printed before all of this madness started. So we're going to start with this graphic organizer brainstorm session, just like we've done in class for a few times. So we are going to start with this graphic organizer. Now your prompt here says, tell me how to make the perfect French toast dish. Do not leave any steps or ingredients out of your paragraph. Work to summarize. Summarize, that means in your own words, just kind of the essentials. The steps into 4 supporting sentences, which makes it a narrative. So you're going to say to yourself, but Miss Gellix, I don't have a French toast dish. But we want you to go off of the recipe that's on the next page. Now notice there's a list of ingredients, and there's directions, the prep time, the cook time, and then all the things that you need to do. Now, since you're summarizing, I do not want this to look exactly like, I don't want your writing to just basically be this exactly word for word. You do need to change it to make it into your own words. You are summarizing it, but it's important to include all of the key information. You're going to start with your topic sentence. Remember, you are writing about how to make the perfect French toast dish. So your topic sentence needs to tell your reader, that's me, that you are going to write about making the perfect French toast dish. Then you are going to use these 4 boxes to have as your supporting sentences. Remember, all of the grammar and all that stuff isn't totally necessary to make sure it's perfect on this page. It's less work down the road if you make it correct on this page, but I don't worry about it as much. This is brainstorming. Make sure you don't leave out steps or ingredients in the paragraph. But please make sure you don't just write it word for word what it says on the next thing, because that is called plagiarism. That is copying someone else. Remember, your closing sentence tells about the big idea, your topic sentence, in a new way. So again, you're just restating what you just wrote about. This is not new. You have done this before. Okay, this is all you're going to be doing today, just like before. One thing we want to focus on is our punctuation power of the week. When you have a list or sequence of things in a sentence, you need to separate them with commas. Now notice there's a list of ingredients. There's also a bunch of things that you need to do. So commas are cool, useful, and amazing. Use a list in this week's paragraph and separate the items with commas to earn bonus points. Put a star above your list in your final copy. There's a video that I'm going to link on your assignment doc that just reminds you about commas. Okay, so all you're going to do today is fill out this first page. Remember, this is your prompt about telling me how you make the perfect French toast dish based on this recipe page. This is what you're doing today. I will post a video reviewing summaries, and then also here's the video will be posted just reviewing commas. Okay, please make sure that this page is done so we can go to the turning these ideas into sentences tomorrow, just like we've done before. All right? Okay, have fun. This should take probably about 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. If you're done in 5 minutes, you probably need to go back and fix some things, okay? Cool. I will talk to you tomorrow.